bench who would accomplish something that the majority of Americans do not want.
You know when somebody gets so mad that they just start talking about irrational things? They've been cultivating these guys for decades, just slowly, meticulously planning this in their back rooms. It's like... Welcome to the Bald Brad Show. In this episode, I'll be reacting to a clip here of supposedly Elizabeth Warren losing her crap over this Roe v. Wade debacle that's taking place in Washington, D.C. Without further ado, let's go ahead and roll it.
Senator, how are you feeling? I am angry.
Angry and upset?
Angry and upset and determined. The United States Congress can keep Roe versus Wade the law of the land. They just need to do it.
I've never seen you so angry. You seem to be...
This is what the Republicans have been working toward this day for decades.
This is what the Republicans have been working for so long. This lady, dude, is like shaking. She's so mad. It's so good.
They have been out there plotting, carefully cultivating these Supreme Court justices so they could have a majority on the bench who would accomplish something that the majority of Americans do not want.
You know when somebody gets so mad that they just start talking about irrational things? They've been cultivating these guys for decades, just slowly, meticulously planning this in their back rooms. It's like this lady is just totally gone off her rockers. This is awesome. I'm pro-life, folks. Can we just get a thumbs up for pro-life? For the unborn, you know, the ones that this lady and millions of other crazy people want to kill. Unbelievable, folks, what these people want to do.
69% of people across this country, red states and blue states, old people and young people, want Roe versus Wade to...
Black and white, up and down, left and right, side to side. It's just, I'm sorry. I know I keep pausing it, but folks, I'm enjoying this way too much. I mean, these people, folks, these protesters are just losing it over this. It hasn't even been voted on. It hasn't even been released. It hasn't even been officially released, man. They're taking to the streets.
Maintain as the law of the land. We need to do that. And we have a right. Extremists, we've heard enough from the extremists. And we're tired of it. Thank you.
Senator, does this open the door for any constitutional...
We've heard enough from these extremists. Lady, you want to literally kill and dismember a human being in the womb. What do you mean extremists? I love how these people just take the moral high ground as if what they're doing, there's nothing wrong with it. And you know, I'm still waiting. I have the Constitution here. Very memorable of, you know, Ben Shapiro bringing this out to Piers Morgan. I'm still looking for it. I've read it multiple times, seem to can't find the right to abortion anywhere in here. And all the Supreme Court's doing is saying, look, you know, this is not something that's going to be done federally. It's something that needs to be done by the states. Revert back to federalism the way that it should be handled. Again, you're not going to find it in here. It's not in here at all. You can look till you're blue in the face. This is the same crap they pulled with Ron DeSantis's Don't Say Gay bill. You look for it, you try to find it. It doesn't say anywhere in there, but that's not going to stop these knuckleheads from protesting in the streets over the right to kill people. And again, speaking of the moral high ground, I love how these people go, oh, you know, you look in history and like these Aztecs completely dismembered these people, just ripped out their beating hearts alive. Well, what disgusting stuff. As they're literally ripping out children, dismembering them and killing them in mass droves. Some of these people, folks, are for abortion after the baby's already been delivered, up to like a few weeks. These people, again, are absolutely nuts, but we're the crazy one, folks, for just wanting the baby to be delivered and have a life, or at least an opportunity to have a life. But they just want to chop these babies up, cut them up, throw them down the garbage, all sorts of stuff. And you get these people elected. This stuff is going on in 2022. It's a little barbaric in my mind. And folks, we're going to look back in history, not necessarily us, but those in the future are going to look at this and be just completely baffled as to what type of barbarians we were and taking children, chopping them up, and throwing them in the trash. But there you have it, folks. I mean, we're going to get a lot of content out of this because the crazies are coming out of the woodworks, and I'm going to be reacting to it all. Well, folks, if you want to support us here at The Bald Brad Show, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Share this link with your friends and family all over social media. And with that being said, I'll see you later here on The Bald Brad Show.